Hello, good morning friends. Welcome once again, and we are going to continue in our exercise 5.3 from arithmetic progression. Previous video we discussed and calculate question number 3 from the exercise. Now we are going to continue to calculate and discuss with some more example from the exercise number 5.3. First of all, question number 12. Look here. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. मतलब 6 से divisible ऐसे 40 positive integers आपको लेने हैं, consider करना है as the arithmetic progression. So solutions is here now. The first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 are, तो 6 से divisible होने वाले first 40 रैंक के जो positive integers हैं वो हमें इस तरह से मिलेंगे 6, 12, 18 up to 6 multiplied by 40, that means 240 तक. तो हमारी consider arithmetic progression फाइनाइट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन होगी और इसके 40 टर्म्स जो हमको मिलेंगे वो 40 टर्म्स होंगे 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 अप टू 240 तक, जो कि फर्स्ट 40 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स डिविजिबल बाय 6 भी हैं. हियर a is equal to 6 is the first term. Common difference d is equal to 12 minus 6, which is the difference between the consecutive terms t2 minus t1. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 is the common difference. Here number of terms n is equal to 40 and we find out s40. मतलब the sum of the 40 terms हमें find out करना है. So इसके लिए हम formula use करेंगे sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. Yes, one more things we are missing here. Last term is 240, n is 240, so we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus n. So now put the value of n is equal to 40, a is equal to 6 and l is equal to 240, which is the last term. So S40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 into bracket 6 plus 240. 6 plus 240 is equal to 246. And 22s are 22s are 40. So now we get product of the 20 multiplied by 246, and finally the product of the numbers is 4920. So S40 is equal to 4920. One more question here. Question number 13 is similar to the question number 12. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. यहाँ पर हमें 15 multiples of 8, सबसे पहले 15 multiples of 8 लेना है. So we consider as the arithmetic progression. The first 15 multiples of the 8s are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 up to 8 multiplied by 15 is equal to 120 is the last term. So here our arithmetic progression, finite arithmetic progression is 8, 16, 24 up to last term is 120. So here a is equal to 8, d is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, which is the common difference. N is equal to 15, n is equal to 120, and we can find out S15 here. So first of all, write the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l, and now substitute the value. N is equal to 15, l is equal to 120 and a is equal to 8. So finally we get S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket 8 plus 120. 120 plus 8 is equal to 128, and it is divisible by 2, so we divide the 128 by 2 and get 64. So S15 is equal to product of 15 multiplied by 64, and we get the product to 960. Therefore S15 is equal to 960. Now one more question from the pattern of the question number 13 and 14, sorry 12 and 13. Question number 14 is continued. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 to 50. 0 से 50 के बीच में आने वाले ऑड नंबर से हमें यहाँ पर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. तो ऑड नंबर बिटवीन 0 to 50 है 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 अप टू 49. ये है हमारे 0 to 15 के बीच के ऑड नंबर्स. तो ये वो हमारा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन जो फाइनाइट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है. 1 is the first term, common difference is equal to 3 minus 1. 2, last term is 49, which is an or l, Now substitute the value in the formula for the nth term, and first we can find out the number of terms. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 49, a is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 2. Now 1 is transposed into the left hand side, and 49 minus 1 equal to n minus 1 into 2. 49 minus 1 is equal to 48 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 2. Now divided both the side by 2, and we get 48 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. 48 is divisible by 2, and therefore we get 24. So n minus 1 is equal to 24. Now minus 1 is transposing through the left hand side, and finally we get n is equal to 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So here number of terms n is equal to 25 now. Now time to find out Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. Here n is equal to 25, first term a is equal to 1, last term l is equal to 49. So substitute the value in the formula, and finally we get S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into bracket 1 plus 49. 49 plus 1 is equal to 50, multiply by 25 divided by 2. 50 is divisible by 2, and we get 25. So product of 25 multiplied by 25, or 25 is 625. So S25 is equal to 625. Now one more question from your exercise. Here L is equal to 28 is the last term. Sum of the n terms is equal to 148, and there are 9 terms available. Find A. So look here, n is equal to 9, L is equal to 28, S9 is equal to 144, and we find A. So applying the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. Now substitute the value. Therefore S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into bracket a plus 28 equal to 144. Because S9 is equal to 144 available. Now simplify stage. 144 9 by 2 is equal to a plus 28 equal to 144 is divided both the side by 2 by 9, and finally we get 144 multiplied by 2 divided by 9 equal to a plus 28. 9 16s are 144, so we get 16 multiplied 2 is equal to a plus 28. Now 16 2s are 32, so we get a plus 28 is equal to 32. Now 28 is transposing to the right hand side, and finally we get a is equal to 32 minus 28 equal to 4. So here a is equal to 4. So dear students, I hope so you understand very well and calculate entire sums, all the sums. आपको क्या करना है, इस एक्सरसाइज में हम 14 क्वेश्चन तक पहुंच आए हैं. आपको इसके रिलेटेड जो बीच में क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर हमने डिस्प्ले पर नहीं आपको दिखाए, एक्सप्लेन किए या फिर कैलकुलेट करके नहीं दिखाए, उस क्वेश्चन को आपको होमवर्क में प्रैक्टिस करना है. ऐसे और क्वेश्चंस जो आपके टेक्सचुअल एग्जाम्पल में कैलकुलेट किए हुए दिए हैं, इसे भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए आपको तैयार होना है. यहाँ तक का आपका काम कंप्लीट करके, मतलब कि एक्सरसाइज 5.3 में आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक का काम फिनिश कर लेना है और रेडी होना है. कुछ एक सम्स हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके सामने रखेंगे जो प्रॉब्लम सम्स टाइप के हैं, मतलब कि डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन कंसिडर करते हुए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद एंड गुड बाय.